how to translate Instagram messages. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to translate messages received in your Instagram DM within the app without using any other translation tool? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Instagram on your device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the message icon at the top. Then, you will see all your conversations made on Instagram. Select a conversation where you want to translate a message. To translate a message from any other language to English, long press the message written in a language you don't understand. Then, a pop-up menu will appear. Over here, you will find the option for Translate. Tap on it. As you can see, the message has been translated into English. Please note that, by default, Instagram translates all other languages into English. Also, if you notice, the original language appears right above the translation, allowing a side-by-side comparison to help you better understand the message. Similarly, you can translate messages in other languages on Instagram. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to translate Instagram messages. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.